It is Tuesday, the very last day of January, 31st. Tomorrow's February. Woo! Into Valentine's Day. It's coming up. Make a plan. Couple things. I added a new yarn to the sale today. It's 25% off. I only have 4 colors left, but I think there are sweater quantities. 5 o'clock. There are sweater quantities of at least 3, if not 4. So this is Chi Chi by Marisol. It is a beautiful yarn. It is 30% alpaca, 30% linen, 25% bamboo, and 15% micro tweed. It is a great yarn. I only have 4 colors left, and I'm like, I'm not going to reorder it right now, so let's put it on sale. So it was $24. It is now $18. It is 25% off. So I have this beautiful turquoise. I have this lovely salmon color. I have this gorgeous, sort of a, I don't know, it's pink, but it's also lavender. And last but not least, the gray. This is the one I have the, nope, that's wrong. The one I have the least of is this one. I think I have 4 skeins. I have 5 or 6 of everything else. So if you want it, call me tomorrow. It's going to go for sure. Speedy like a rabbit. All right. We also got in today from Skacel. It's called Edition 3. And we've had this before. It is a twisted multicolor striping yarn, which is absolutely perfect for Ray's upcoming pressed flowers knit along. So, and if you pair that with the Lannis Light from Barocco, you can make a beautiful sweater, cowl, shawl, and I think hat. So you have choices. You don't have to do one or the other. So that's cool. So we got in for 8 colors, and there is 165 yards in each one. It is $16.95 a ball. And I just want to show you the colors. This is also great for any of the night shift. There's a new night shift or shift cardigan sweater that's fabulous that's out there. These would be perfect for that as well. So we have this gorgeous color, blues, browns, creams, then all pastels, pinks, greens, yellows, blues. This is lovely, earthy, but it has pops of blue and green. Love that. This one is pretty pinks, roses, oranges, browns. This looks like Chrissy. Anyway, this one is green and purple with pops of yellow, bright orchid. This gold, turquoise, green, love it. Then this one, sort of magenta, periwinkle, gold, pale green, love it. And last but not least, gray, black, and white. Very intriguing, interesting. All right, that's it. That's my news for today, for the last day of January, okay? Ray's got a knit-along that's starting next week on Tuesday. So if you want to get into the pressed flowers thing, come on in. Pick out a color, pick out some yarn. You'll be good to go. All right, I think that's it. I'll talk. Oh, first day of February tomorrow. That means it's bingo from 6 to 7 tomorrow night. Bring your $5 bill. Get ready to play. You could win some yarny stuff. It's always good. All right. Bye.